Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is session number 6, and in this session we'll study the Urdu vowels vaw, choti ye and bari ye. And the word choti means small and bari means big. The letters vaw and choti ye are unusual in that they can represent both consonants and vowels. Okay, I write these alphabets and these vowels here for you, and then we also going to practice them how to write them. Okay, so here are these alphabets, these vowels. The first one is vaw, then it's choti ye, and the last one is bari ye. And how to write them? You can start from these points. Start writing vaw from this point and then go down. And choti ye will start from this point, and bari ye will start from this point. Okay, I also write all these for you here. So vaw starts from this point and it looks like this one. Okay, and choti ye starts from the top, then you go down and then you go like this one. Okay, this is called choti ye. Bari ye starts from here and it comes till here. Okay, this is called bari ye. Bari ye. Okay, so practice writing these vowels and then also pronounce them aloud while writing. Okay, so that's it for today's session. Until the next session, Allah Hafiz and take care.